Welcome to Bike Flow. My name is Marcus. This is where we cycle the world. Right now we are in Jeffery City in Wyoming, a mining town of uranium that went bust in the early 80s. To get here, we cycled through southern Wyoming, and we're gonna start off there. So let's enter Wyoming. Skittish. I have no words to describe this. I mean, there are no cars. There's slight tailwind, so doing 20 kilometers an hour is very easy. It's a little bit downhill, about one maybe degree. There's no one here. And it's just vast. It's extremely big. And on top of that, I think I saw a bald eagle. No fucking way. We're leaving Colorado. There's no one around at all. And we're entering Wyoming. Welcome to Wyoming, home of the Cowboys. Yeehaw! Let's go. 45 miles to Saratoga, where we have a host through warm showers, and this one is in a church. What kind of animal are you? Getting eye-fucked by 3 unknown animals. Check. It's very beautiful, and it's completely quiet. There are no other cars. I have tailwind, and I don't even pedal. I mean, it's awesome. It's so awesome. These are the days, as Avicii would have said. I met a cyclist. I can't remember her name, but she's back there. Way back there. Her husband, Tom, I remember his name because I thought of Tom and Jerry. He's over here somewhere. Entering Riverside. 52 people living in the municipality. I met up with Tom and Sheila. They bought me lunch as they were telling me about their 3-day practice trip they were doing now before going to France this summer. About 30 kilometers north of Riverside, I encountered an American spectacle right before entering Saratoga. This is the annual Pig Digger Mud Rally. The gentleman charging for entry had ancestors in Sweden, so I got in for free and got to see whatever this is. I mean, it's pretty obvious what the goal is. The goal is to make it to the finish line as fast as possible. It's a mud drag race, basically. I spent about 10 minutes there before I got bored, and then continued to Saratoga. I'm in Saratoga and I got a warm showers host, and I'm meeting Sally. She's gonna be our host in the church where we're staying tonight. We're going down this road and we'll see if we can find the church. I made it to the church. We're gonna sleep right here. They have free Wi-Fi, no shower, so we're doing that at the hot springs. I enjoy the shit out of this right now. No microphone working yet for the GoPro. Here's the church. Here's where I'm staying in Saratoga. And we're going this way because there's a hot spring that's free. It's called a Hobo Hot Spring. Saratoga has about 1,700 people living here. It's a very small town. This is the place. Dirty Marcus is no more. I still am, but not in about half an hour, right? This was very cold. I'll get hypothermia right here. Goodbye, penis. These hot springs were owned by a Native American, and before he passed away, he signed it over to the municipality. His only demand was that it will always be free of charge, and that's why it's called Saratoga Hobo Hot Springs. Anybody's allowed in here, and it's just wonderful. This is way colder. Let's get back in the hot spring. We're leaving this place. Stayed here for 2 days. Editing movies. St. Barnabas Church. Thank you. 9 o'clock in the morning and Shania Twain is screaming in my ears. We're heading for Rawlins, which is the state penitentiary town, which is full of apparently shit, according to all the people living here. We're going on the interstate today for the first time. That's interesting. Shut the fuck up. I talked to a road worker before I continued and had the whole road to myself. Then it turned into construction work. Do you see this? It's just nothing. We have nice mountains over there and there, blah, 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 blah. And stop sign, very beautiful. Public and private lands ahead. So let's go over there. because I want to sleep in my tent and have a good rest and food in my tummy. Good morning. The highway's right over there. You hear the car? Here we go. Yeah. Breakfast time. And of course we don't have enough water because I thought this one would be full, but it's not. I suck. This is the only water I have now. We're going to Jeffery City. It was a boom and then it went bust. Uranium or gold, I don't know, but we're staying in the Baptist church. Nice. Let's go. This is always so exciting. Wow, we're on a road to nowhere. I thought we would have a little fun before we left, but it got all over me. Do I have something on my nose? The sun is very strong today. We're high up. We're not that high up. It's a clear blue sky. Haven't had that in a week. Okay, we're good to go. Let's enjoy. Let's cycle 100 kilometers. First we'll go to Muddy Gap and we have like 60 to there to get water. Finding a place to eat lunch is always a challenge. I don't own a chair, so I'm always on the lookout for a place to sit down. This time, a pile of street signs. I once again enjoy my wonderful muesli. My food is all words, no poems. I get the calories. While I was eating, this truck had a blowout. I don't understand how this happens here all the time, because I've probably never, I think, seen it in Sweden. I don't understand what they're doing here. Muddy Gap is a junction where basically people only come once. All travelers passing through point out where they're from on the map. And then I got some stickers from my friend Philemon and I put it up. I can finally officially say that spring/summer has arrived. Split Rock was a landmark on the Oregon Trail for early settlers. We arrive in Jeffery City, the mining town that went bust. In the early 80s, 6,000 people used to live here. Now it's a ghost town. The local church here runs a bicycle hostel and hosted over 350 people last year. Let's get inside and see what it has to offer. This place is heaven for bicycle tourists, and people from all over the world come here. They accept all people and have beds, shower, and coffee for us. We're staying here for 3 nights to make a movie about Jeffery City. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, to our channel, Bike Flow. It means the world to me. I want to thank all my supporters for believing in me, supporting me. If you want to support me, there's a link down in the description. There you can see how you do it. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. And there's a horse trailer going through. Leave a like if you like. Until next time. Skitty.